patient who presents with no teeth, hasn't been able to wear a denture in many, many years. When you take a look at his sinuses, they've completely expanded. He barely has any bone under his nose, but guess what this gentleman has? Big, meaty zygomas. Yes, so evaluating the zygoma in cross-section, we're now looking at the level where we're going to be placing the zygomas, zygomatic implants coming down, and looking at the ridge being pretty thin. So I would imagine that we've got 42 millimeters on one side and 40.